Hold on, we're doing something. Okay, we're ready? Okay. Cliff is ready. Miles, are you ready? Set, go! Stand back, stand back! That is awesome! Stand up, stand up! He can't open the door! The door won't open! The door won't open! How do you get? Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen! Make some noise! Whoa! Oh my God! That is like the awesomest thing I think I've seen in like years, though. That has got to be the awesomest thing I've seen. Hey, be careful, be careful. Don't get up underneath it, all right? That is like the sickest thing I've seen in years, y'all. Check this out right here. Boat in half, baby. Boat in half. Hey, one time, make noise for Triple C Power Show. Woo! Man, I don't think I've seen this in Florida before. This is a new one right here. North Carolina taking it to the max. This is so much America right now. I love it. Yeah, America, that's right. Oh, yes. This is why I do what I do. Well, that and the chicks. Well, pretty much the chicks. But this is occasionally awesome, too. He's trying. The front end's kind of coming off the ground. The front end's off the ground.
If you pick both ends up, you'd probably do it.
Well, then it's going to just roll back with it, you know what I'm saying? Dude, that's so awesome. Alright. There you go. There it goes. There it goes. Ah, yes. Yes. Oh, man, I love it. Love it. I bet it'll drive now. I bet it'll drive now. Hey, how about round 2, huh? Let's do it again. Okay. What? Clip, ready? Set, go! Oh. Oh. Okay. Alright. I cannot believe what I just saw right now. That is nuts, y'all. Alright. Everybody clear out there completely. We gotta run Megatrucks. Everybody clear out completely. We gotta run Megatrucks.